Do-it-yourself contactless voltage detector using BC547 transistors. Today we bring you an experiment based on the RC oscillation detection circuit. Let's try to detect if there is an AC voltage across a wire in your home. So, the build needs very few components and only 3 transistors. It is very portable and power consumption is also very low. Let's start building the circuit on a Vero board. Like always, it's safe to take a few precautions. If you are less than 16, do it under adult supervision. You need a few components for the project. You might have to visit your local hardware parts store, and for the components, you can visit your local robotics supplier. BC547 3 pieces. LED 1 piece. 220 ohm resistor 1 piece. Buzzer. 22 AWG copper wire. 9 volts battery with connector. See how our system is working. And now, let's get started with the main construction. This is the collector pin of the BC547 transistor. Connect all the collectors of the 3 transistors together. Connect the emitters of each transistor to the base of the other. This configuration is also known as Darlington transistor array. Connect the VCC to the positive of the LED through a 220 ohm resistor. Let's connect the negative of LED to collectors of the BC547 transistors. Connect the positive of the buzzer to VCC. This is the antennae. You can make it from a single core wire with approximately 5 to 10 turns. If your supply voltage is 120 to 160 volts, you require 8 turns. Connect the 9 volts battery with power socket. The emitter is connected to the negative and the positive of buzzer will be connected to the VCC. If your device is wired up correctly, the buzzer should ring when you bring the antennae near a live electric supply. Feel free to use this for safe testing of your AC equipment at home.